Zebra foal. A baby zebra is called a foal. A newborn foal has brown stripes. The foal has long legs. They wobble as it tries to stand. The foal can run an hour after birth. Time with Mom. Mom and her foal stay close together. This helps them bond. Mom grooms her foal. She licks its hair clean. The foal drinks Mom's milk when hungry. Joining the herd. Soon they join the herd. The foal can find Mom by her stripes, smell, and sound. The foal is safer in the herd. Its stripes help it blend in. The herd runs fast when predators are near. This foal can keep up. Giraffe calf. A baby giraffe is called a calf. It is 6 feet, 1.8 meters, tall when born. Time with Mom. The calf drops to the ground during birth. Mom licks her newborn clean. The calf stands within an hour. Now it can drink Mom's milk. Mom nuzzles her calf to show love. This is how they bond. Staying safe. The calf hides between Mom's legs. Mom will kick predators that come close. Sometimes Mom leaves to go eat. The calf hides in tall grass or bushes. The baby's coat has spots. These marks help it to blend in. Joining the herd. Soon it is time to join the herd. The herd is made up of females and their babies. Now the calf can play with other young giraffes. New friends.
We're going to read about baby monkeys.
Baby monkey. Monkey infant.
Oops.
A baby
Ask
monkey
a
is
grown-up
called
to check
an
your
infant.
internet.
White-tailed deer are hoofed mammals. They live throughout much of Canada, the United States, and Mexico. These deer often hide in forests. They are also found in deserts, prairies, and swamps. White-tailed deer have reddish-brown coats in the summer. Their fur fades to grayish-brown in the winter. They have white patches by their eyes, nose, and throat. Their bellies are also white. These deer are named for the white fur on the underside of their tails. They raise their tails to show the white when scared. This warns other deer that danger may be near. White-tailed deer search for food in the evening and early morning. They are herbivores. In the summer, they eat leaves, fruits, and mushrooms. They chew on nuts and corn in the fall. Twigs and bark are winter foods. White-tailed deer must be ready to run from predators. Even in thick forests, they can run up to 30 miles, 48 kilometers per hour. This is usually fast enough to outrun bears, wolves, and other animals. Bucks and does. Male white-tailed deer are called bucks. They grow to be bigger than females, or does. Bucks grow up to 6 feet, 1.8 meters long. Their shoulders are about 3 feet, 0.9 meters, from the ground. They weigh up to 300 pounds, 136 kilograms. Every spring, bucks grow a new set of antlers. They use them to fight over does. Then the antlers fall off in winter. Mom and fawns. A doe gives birth to up to 3 fawns at a time. White spots cover the fawns' backs. These camouflage them from predators. At 3 to 4 months old, fawns usually lose their spots. They stay with mom for up to 2 years. Then they have fawns of their own. Armadillos are animals with long, pointed snouts. They have hard shells on their backs. Skin and hair cover their bellies. Armadillos make homes in grasslands and forests. They live in logs or burrows. They dig burrows with their strong legs and sharp claws. Armadillos sink in water. They can hold their breath for 6 minutes. They can also fill their bellies with air. This lets them float in water. Armadillos eat ants, termites, and other insects. They use their long, sticky tongues to grab food. Armadillos run from coyotes, bears, and other predators. Their shells protect them while they run. Armadillos can jump up to 4 feet, 1.2 meters, in the air when scared. Up, up, and away! Elephant calf. A baby elephant is called a calf. It lives with a herd of females. The calf stays with the herd for at least 2 years. Mom cares for it. The newborn calf struggles to stand. Mom gives a lift. The young calf drinks mom's milk for food. It is time for a bath. Mom sprays the calf with her trunk. The calf is in danger. Mom trumpets for help. The herd circles close. Using the trunk. The calf learns how to use its trunk. It twists the trunk around Mom's to say hello. The calf watches how Mom eats. It tries to pick up food with its trunk too. Sometimes, the calf uses its trunk to hold Mom's tail. This helps it stay close. Hold on tight.
Today, we're going to read about baby tigers.
Tiger cubs. Baby tigers are called cubs. They are born in dens. A female has a litter of 2 to 6 cubs. They stay in the den for 2 months. Life with Mom. Newborn cubs need Mom for everything. She carries them with her teeth. She also nurses them. Older cubs eat solid food. A lot to learn. Tiger cubs have a lot to learn. Mom teaches them how to hunt. Cubs chase one another to practice. Then they wrestle. They growl as they play fight. Sometimes the cubs practice an ambush. They pounce on Mom. Young cubs also learn how to swim. They love water. Jump in!
Today, we're going to read about elephants.
Baby elephants. Elephant calf. A baby elephant is called a calf. It lives with a herd of females. The calf stays with the herd for at least 2 years. Mom cares for it. The newborn calf struggles to stand. Mom gives a lift. The young calf drinks mom's milk for food. It is time for a bath. Mom sprays the calf with her trunk. The calf is in danger. Mom trumpets for help. The herd circles close. Using the trunk. The calf learns how to use its trunk. It twists the trunk around Mom's to say hello. The calf watches how Mom eats. It tries to pick up food with its trunk too. Sometimes, the calf uses its trunk to hold Mom's tail. This helps it stay close. Hold on tight.
Today, we're going to read about baby horses.
Baby horses. Foals. Baby horses are called foals. They live on farms. Foals grow up to be large horses or small ponies. On its feet. A foal is born with long legs. It stands up soon after birth. A foal trots the day it is born. It gallops the next day. The foal needs naps. Hay or grass makes a soft bed. Mom nuzzles her foal to show love. Growing up. Young foals need Mom for food. They drink her milk. Older foals eat hay, grains, and other solid food. Foals become yearlings on their first birthday. They are big now.
Today, we're going to read about baby owls.
Baby owlets. Baby owls are called owlets. They hatch from eggs. Life in the nest. Mom sits on the nest to keep it warm. Eggs hatch one at a time. Newborn owlets are covered in fluffy down. These feathers keep them warm. Dad brings food to the nest. Mom feeds it to the owlets. The babies compete for the food. They give loud screeches for attention. Out and about. Soon the babies stretch their legs. They hop around the nest. The owlets also